Today we're doing a little Stucco repair in Grand Boulevard over here. Uh, we are patched. Have been patching several stucco cracks with textured elastomeric, and we have a patch made from Portland cement. Now we're gonna cut the wire off. All the surface after it's been repaired will be primed with cool wall texture primer, which basically it's elastomeric type primer, very thick, bridges and hairline cracks, and it's gonna leave like a little sand finish to hide imperfections. And on top of that we're going to apply cool wall yellow, which is basically a match from these existing buildings, and we're trying to find a best system we can find to renovate and beautify these buildings this coming fall. Alright, well, I keep everybody posted how this job is going. Thank you.